I'm Holly Stewart. I own Holly Cakes Bakery here in Jacksonville. Holly Cakes has been on the square for nearly 5 years. I have been a cake decorator for nearly 20 years. We're gonna have customers coming in and out. I've always been very artsy, and so I just kind of tried my hand with making cakes for my friends. Everything we do here is custom made. You know, there aren't hardly any other small town bakeries in Jacksonville. We make everything here in-house, whereas, you know, the big box stores, oftentimes their cakes come in pre-made and frozen or pre-made and iced, and we absolutely do not do that here. Everything is made here. While we do have cake pops and cupcakes and cookies and all of those things, people really seek me out for the custom things, the custom designs that we can create for them. I can say that while we were doing renovations on this building, I had a couple knock on the window and tell me that in the 1940s, they had gotten their wedding cake from this place. And I don't remember the name of the bakery that they said it was, but they got their cake from here. So that's kind of cool, that almost 100 years later and it's back to a bakery again. Pretty neat. It's nice to be part of a community that accepts you and embraces you. It's nice to be able to get off work on a Friday night and walk across the street when there's a free concert going on and see every facet of the community there, to see children and older folks and even handicapped folks. Everybody's there, everybody's enjoying themselves. And I walk through and everybody goes, "There's Holly Cakes, Holly Cakes, Holly Cakes." Little did I know when I made this that I would be called Holly Cakes for the rest of my life. It's just, I guess it's nice to be part of a small town community where people know you by name.